Hello everyone, how are y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Today we are making tuna salad. And here are my ingredients. I have some sweet relish. I have some salt and pepper. I have some salad dressing. I have 2 cans of tuna and a small onion and 2 eggs that I'm getting ready to boil. Okay, y'all, here's my eggs that I have put in a pot, and I made sure they are covered with water, and I put 2 teaspoons of salt in my water. I was told years ago that this makes the eggs peel easier. It seems like it does, but that's the way I do mine. Okay, I'm going to let these 2 eggs boil for 15 minutes. I'm going to be right back. Okay, my eggs have finished. Okay, this is something I'm going to pour this water out now. Some people, they knock their eggs side to side. They cracks a little bit, and that's how you get started on peeling them. Okay, I'm showing y'all how I slice and chop up my onions. I chop them in little small pieces because I don't like my tuna salad with big chunks of onions in it, and so that's what I do. I go and I chops it just like this because I don't want them real, big. I'm going to do a couple more little pieces. That's the way I do it. Okay, I'm getting ready to finish cutting all the rest of my onion up, and I'm going to be right back. Y'all, I got an egg cutter, but I didn't feel like taking it out, so I'm just showing y'all how I chop mine out up manually. We just chop them up, those small pieces. Just chop them up. Okay, here I'm draining my tuna. I have a very small strainer right here. Y'all can see I'm mashing it down so I can get all that excess juice out. Here I'm combining all my ingredients. Here's my tuna I have drained. Here's my eggs. Bring it out so y'all can see. The onion. I did not use that whole small onion. I only used like half of it. Okay. I mix this up. I'm going to start off with like a tablespoon of salad dressing, or you can use mayo. Either one you want to use. It's up to you. Using about a tablespoon. That's what I'm starting out with. Okay, and like a tablespoon sweet relish. Y'all, I kind of drain mine in the jar. I move it away from the juices because I don't like a whole lot of juice in my tuna salad. Now, I'm mixing it all together. Like I say, I may need extra salad dressing. I like to start out with a little, then I go from there, because I don't want to just put a glob of everything in there and then it's too liquefied. I don't like it. My tuna salad with a lot of liquid in it. Okay, now I'm adding another tablespoon of salad dressing. Some people chop up apples and put it in theirs. Chop your apples up like I did my onions. Just chop them in little small pieces. What you do, you taste and see if it has enough salad dressing. Now I'm adding one more tablespoon. So this is 3 tablespoons total of salad dressing. But this is the way I like mine. Okay, y'all. I'm going to come back with the final result. Now I'm getting ready to make a sandwich. If you don't want it with bread, you can always, this is good with crackers. It's regular saltine crackers or club crackers. Okay. Getting ready to cut it. Show y'all how. And if you want it more on yours, you go for it. Ready to cut this up. Okay, y'all, this is my tuna salad. Get it up here where y'all can see. This is my tuna salad. Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to go. I'm going to say bye-bye for now.